You may have encountered situations where respondents made a mistake while filling out your form and asked if they could resubmit or edit their incorrect answers. With Porsline's Enterprise account, you can now provide them with that flexibility without needing to reset their submission manually. Once a response is submitted, respondents can use an Edit Response link to view their original answers and make changes. To enable this feature, go to the Settings phase and activate the option Allow Respondents to Edit Their Responses. You can share the edit link with respondents in 3 different ways: via the end page, in an email notification, or through an SMS notification. To make the link available on the end page, go to the Create phase, open the end page section, enable the Reload/Redirect button, customize the button text, and select Edit Response Link from the drop-down menu. If you prefer to send the link via email or SMS, so respondents can return and make changes later, simply enable Notify Respondent under Email Notifications in Settings. Then use the @ symbol to insert the Edit Response link directly into the body of the message. Once the form is submitted, the respondent receives an email with a personalized link for editing the response. For SMS notifications, if you're using Porsline's SMS gateway, you can select a predefined message that already includes the edit link. If you've connected your SMS provider, just insert the edit link manually into your message content. As the form creator, you'll be able to track any changes by visiting the Results table in the Results phase. A dedicated column will show the timestamp of the respondent's most recent edit. Keep in mind, once an answer is edited, the original version cannot be recovered. Enabling response editing adds incredible flexibility to how you collect and manage feedback, especially in organizational workflows. If you have any questions, we're always here to help.